Hi, my name is Dominik. I'm event manager for DyeMansion, and right now I'm at Rapid and TCT in Chicago. Right behind me, you can see the DyeMansion booth. Follow me and I'll show you some of our highlights. According to our motto, Future Up Your Factory, you can experience a lot of things that are related to connectivity. All of the machines you can see here at the booth are connected to our new cloud-based monitoring system. It's called the DyeMansion 360 Digital Services. It's a system that runs on a dashboard, and wherever you are, you can track the live data of your DyeMansion machine. Isn't that cool? What else can you see on our booth? You know us as DyeMansion. There are a lot of colorful parts made out of different materials and post-processed in different kinds of finishes. And there's one more thing I really like to show you. For the first time on a US trade show, you can not just only feel and see the Wilson LS prototype, but you can also take your shot.